Hello guys. So in this lecture series, I'm going to give you an introduction to artificial intelligence and the different applications of artificial intelligence. Well, myself Dr. Bora, and as per the research area of mine is concerned, then AI and ML, that is machine learning, is my research area. So let's talk about artificial intelligence now. First of all, the agenda of this lecture series is introduction to AI, goals of AI, what comprises to artificial intelligence, then programming without and with AI, then what are the different types of artificial intelligence, that is type 1 and type 2. We'll go in details about them. Then different applications of AI, and lastly we have advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So let's start one by one all these topics. First, definition of AI. You know, John McCarthy is known as the father of artificial intelligence. And according to him, that is, AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. And this AI or artificial intelligence is a way of making computer or a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently. You see, guys, I'm using the term intelligent because whatever the application we are trying to build under this domain, we try to make them intelligent. In the similar manner, the intelligent humans think. Well, so this is about the definition. Now, he is John McCarthy, and in late 1955, he developed the phrase artificial intelligence. Then, in 1960, first Lisp implementation done by him, Lisp processor, and where linked list plays the major role as a data structure. Well, in some other day we'll discuss more about Lisp. Now, in 1971, he got Turing Award recipient. And about what is Turing test and Turing machines, I have one lecture on that. Please go through it where I discuss in details about the Turing test, and that is very important. I think all the CS and ID guys should know about this. And in 2001, Professor Emeritus of Computer Science at Stanford University. So he is brief, our John McCarthy. So this is a brief information about him. Now he is regarded as the father of artificial intelligence. Now you see that artificial intelligence, this term is composed of two words. One is artificial and other is intelligence. Where artificial defines man-made and intelligence defines what? Thinking power, the ability of thinking. Okay, so we can define AI as a man-made thinking power. And you all guys know that because of the thinking powers, we are now human. We have the ability to do or react with respect to different acts. And we have that capability that is inborn. So we have the intelligence from the very beginning of our means what as a human being. Okay, so that is inborn. But in case of machine, the case is different. We need to impose it artificially. So that is what actually artificial intelligence tries to do. So AI can be defined as a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions like us. Okay, so AI is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligence machines that more and less behave like a human and has the ability to think like humans and able to make decisions. So that is overall the definition of AI. I hope this is clear to you now. Now, why we need it? Why we do need artificial intelligence? There are some main reasons for which we can say that we need AI. One by one. First one is with the help of AI, you can create a software or devices which can solve real world problems very easily and with accuracy. These two terms are very important: easily and accuracy. Okay, so this AI machines can solve real world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. Then, with the help of AI, you can create your personal virtual assistant, such as Cortana, Google Assistant, Siri. Okay, these are different virtual assistants. Then, with the help of AI, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of humans can be at risk. So, for some risky applications, the visual of bomb, that bomb diffusion, if humans tries to do that, obviously, some for some unfortunate reasons, some for unfortunate reasons that person may be harmed or even may be killed. Okay, but in such cases, we can employ robots. So next, AI opens a path for other new technologies, new devices, new opportunities that may come in the near futures. So these are the reasons mainly why we need artificial intelligence. And about the goals of AI, so I have seen that two goals are the main ones for building AI machines. First one is to create expert systems. These are the systems which, expert system, this term is very familiar in the area of AI because these are the systems which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its users. Well, till now, we already have different expert systems for different complicated tasks. Okay, so those expert systems are giving advices or showing their intelligent behaviors with respect to those tasks that for which they have been designed. So this is the main goal of AI. Then second goal is that to implement the human intelligence in machines. So we try to create systems that understand, think, learn, and behave like humans. So these two are the main goals of AI. I hope you all got it. Now, secondly, or I can say the most importantly, what are those different domains actually comprises to artificial intelligence? Frankly speaking, artificial intelligence is not just a part of computer science. Even it's so vast and requires a lot of other factors which can contribute to it. So I cannot say, we cannot say, you cannot say, we cannot say that AI, artificial intelligence, is just a part of computer science because it comprises of different other areas. To create the AI, first we should know that how intelligence is composed. So the intelligence, this is an intangible part of our brain. Okay, you cannot touch it, but this exists And this is the main cause, okay, which is a combination of this intelligence is a combination of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, etc. So accordingly, to achieve these factors, artificial intelligence requires disciplines like mathematics,